You're cruising in that thing. What up, cutie? Got her a walker, and she's using it. Yeah, hey. Hey. Slide her back there. I want to get her moving. What's up, Bean? Bella Bean. Come here, Belle. Woo! Trucking. You're trucking. You're doing it. Yeah. What? Came to Daddy, huh?
What happened?
She came right to me. What? 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 I'm gonna get you. Get you, baby. I better run.
Oh, it feels so much better to have an student. Hey, check on my mama. Come here, baby. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here, baby. Come on. Come here. Come on.
She gonna make it?
Come on, baby. You can reach your arms out. Come here. Come here. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on.
Let's see if she can make it over there.
Come on. Up you go run into the chair. Dad, she needs a little help direction.
Alright.
And then she'll be able to do it. There you go. Okay, come here. Hey. Come on.
Come to Daddy.
Come here, go, Mama. Come to Mama.
Bella.
Come on.
Bella.
You can do it. You can do it. Come here, you get tickled. Come on. You gonna stop? Come on, baby. Come here. Oh, Daddy got that on film.
What?
She just barfed.
Oh.
Pressing her stomach up against the thing. Mommy gotta change your clothes.
Nasty. Gross. Yucky.
Alright, chick.
Yucky.
You can make it. You can make it. Come on. Move it. No, she's being fake. Come on. Come here. Yep, she's pushing it back.
You're going backwards.
You gonna make it? You gonna make it? Yeah, you do.
Bella. She needs her duck, I think. Yeah. Woo. Whoa. She's a cutie. Say bye-bye. Bean. Say bye. Oh. What you do? Oh. What happened? What happened? What happened? Bye-bye.